And welcome to HearShap Academy. So let me walk you through the worksheet that you have for today on writing equations of lines. So here is your worksheet. I'll walk you through the first two, and hopefully this should make more sense than those Khan Academy videos because that guy drones on and this should be a little bit more direct. All right, so remember the whole strategy is y equals mx plus b. So in these equations, m is the first number, that's your slope, and b is the last number, that's your y-intercept. So basically to look at your graph up top here, to find your y-intercept, go on your y, and see where it touches, where 4 right here. So really this is nice and simple because all your y-intercepts are not 4 except for this one. So your answer is really going to be D. But just to verify, look at another point besides this one, and I'm looking for grid lines as we go through. Oh, here's another one. So from this point and this point, if you were to go up 1, 2, 3 units and go over 2 units, you would have a positive 3 over 2 slope, and it goes through 4 on your y-intercept. So that's why D is your solution. For number 2, same thing. I would look for my y-intercept first. So y-intercept is right here at 4. And sorry, they use a lot of 4s, but look at this one. That's definitely not it. We've got 4, 4, and 4. So one of these 3 has to be it. So go back to slope now. So look at that point there. Again, trace this back to find another point which it hits right there. So go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. A slope of 4 and over 1 is a slope of 4. So there's your slope of 4 and your y-intercept of 4. All right, so hopefully this clarifies things. Complete the rest of these and be sure to submit your answers on the Google form. All right, thanks guys. Bye.